Hakar Phuai Tarik Rampang, Office Assistant Commissioner of Food Safety and Designated Officer, Eastern West Khasi Hills District, Kelapan Kut ya kajing hikai bakerpang balakot kerteng daka Food Safety Training and Certification Fostac na kabenta kinong di jingbam kiba kuntop ya ki restoran fast food kidukan desha deja bat ki tundur shat jingbam di isha. Kani ka training program kelas sedang haka khat khandai tarik bat lapan kut haka arphuai tarik Rampang hahol jangka PHE Mairang. Kakong DBS Mukim Assistant Commissioner Food Safety bat kakong Natasha Rana Food Safety Officer Eastern West Khasi Hills kila ai kijing hikai babnia bat basai kedar syaki beriau kiba im jakpo bat kamai naki kam dejing bam hamairang bat hakishnong bamarjan. Kinong dejing bam haki restoran dukan sha bat ja kidukan fast food bat kiwe kidukan penbiang jing bam ki bathangan kila yo shibun kijing Myntoi bat kijing tip nakan ka training program Fostac.
Yang simpang sebab ni nak beri ide ke kepada di nampak dia di dalam aku malah pakai ni aku benomba ni haban bu ya kam dei hamadan ban ailat ban ku ban suba ban ailat ban mulam ke jebo cuban ban habadan ke jebo kikna ki cuban wan room ini nampak dia dari ke kawi dia kabaan dalam ke banbu ke cold storage lani banbu ya kan ki jaga bedai tha kala ban freezer lagi haka fridge refrigerator mo ni hakan miti lagi hakan Peit ya kanika temperature kapa don ka kawi kabanga ngako aban ong yepi ketika ni khamtam ye ki badon restaurant mana badon restaurant fast food hidden restaurant okay kei kaba kisai don nathai pin don ya kaniki frozen food item kedua lani ki kitu kijing bang mengata ki mon mo ki bagi wan kedua jong ki frozen food items tiga kajing betha joma nak bentang safety jong ka jong phi ka jong ki pat ma lomba lada lahi kabanin kong avoid kian ban kam ye ki frozen food item kung kedua lili phi wala ba fresh nani ngidan yo tu tiga mulai bidang lawan le itu. Henry lada people not come pada ki frozen food items kadawa lawan no. Pithe ki dua ki bala frozen pithe ki ya ki pan ki jor ki sausage bla yo bon ki pinha panra or bale nang ni se Shillong pinha panra ya ka itu cold box. No, kamu nak belum ke problem ke bumi lagi mentala pithe ki frozen food items kalau ba Pi don kam kan le itu ki ongkat thawing ke deka process ha ka ba pi dei ban kan le jingai tha kam surun khat kam sudi ban mi na ka freezer ban bu pe ha jong table lani man ke ra ko ja ni ka ban kun ka long pin sei tu ga ya tu ka frozen jingbang frozen food na freezer pin thep se ka ha ka fridge then nang tu pin sa lawan sei ka ke ban kam pa de iko tu ka deka process ka ba temen ta beli ki don ki bane Kibo ni jongi kili amno kithe ki frozen food items and la poi ki lashet ki shim ko umthna tu bala long thare kithe ko umthna lani ki the ko umthna atu kalong ko sa ikatu ka na ka daw beli ka advice ban ki frozen food products kalong ka dikata hindi di ban follow pat ya ka system ko abaha ko report ya kini ki restaurant baro ki bala kamye ki pundon kami kini ki frozen food items nang tabar itu ki ba supply food items kin don be separate laga jong training kumno ban le ki thawing process kumno pinhapan le ki ba pinhapan maintain nang ba ka safety jong pa temen la pila bu ki to mong ba kitu ki jing bang ko pila ka ka fridge dan freezer lalong kilalong ki bala light na ki nyang jimpang na ki microbes na ki microorganism tidon tinre beli pede na bala de tha beli ka kai ka ba ki beli pade ka kai ka baji ai kalau kim lapan multiply kim don chu boy ban na harwe so today kan da marsan sei untuk pikir ka complete and bi bo be direct untuk tikani kan ya ka ki ba kila ban mutate kila ban penang kha ban ni kle ngai kan kana ma su mo they don't come and maintain the temperature ha bo bidon ye pibo e frozen food items of freezer come temperature ka de ban long umno -18 bananta de bor ban calibrate ya ke freezer ye fridge ye refrigerator jo pi na wash ko Mo tanang kaniman maintain ya kanika temperature kanong 40 degree ya kaniki refrigerator lani ka pilaban kam pan night tha ka so ka jin kam jopi. Tenan kapne ki dry storage kamu kini ki pan ki piat ki tuki sini ki slasha ini kan buat tang kanika room temperature tapi ini room temperature kabangin kan kamar kong kan lain mo tang ki jaga slab ha Khubor masalah pinhapan ham usian ba katuga jingji kanum tak mo dokumentarin page itu ki preba ai hausen Khubor ba ki ai ba wanra ai ke sini menta ki ta kunsuran sini so atai portion ne mention si yo ada tu sini uji ka ba asu pana am tu de namar ba kala sini susun di pa sini ki sunong ni bobon namar taru kombo kambiang nang dapat dia kecil slab kecil slab ikan ni moisture ke kanang pen seni hijing ba dedon kam banle agar ko de ba lahan ye ru pimne ban bu eki khau ki to pi kerjakan terusnya bu ki alari di berkya
why food safety is important. I talk like food safety is important, food safety we should maintain, we should learn. Why? What is the reason? What is the reason that you have left your shop and you came here spending half day, and why we are telling government is taking this initiative like gathering people and all these things? What is the reason of food safety, maintaining food safety? First of all, if we do not maintain food safety, it will give you foodborne illness. What is foodborne illness? It can be diarrhea, it can be food poisoning, it can be vomiting, any sort of disease which comes from the food. If you eat unhealthy or unsafe food, then you will get that disease. It can be, you have stomach pain after eating that food. So any sort of foodborne illness, it can come if food safety is not being maintained. Second thing is, it will protect the consumers from risk of health related conditions such as allergens, even death. This point I will come later when I will discuss about allergen. Last point, it will help to prevent financial loss, shutdown of businesses and many consequences due to unsafe food. Everybody has a shop or restaurant or hotel. You sell food there. If somehow one person ate food from your shop and from your restaurant and he fell sick, right? He will go and tell other people that I had food from his shop, so I am not feeling, I know something is wrong in the food. So he will go and tell some people. Okay? By the way, what will happen? It will be spread among people. Will people come to your shop after that? If suppose I bought momos from your shop, assume this is not real, assume I bought momos from your shop. After eating the momos, somehow I feel sick or I feel like vomiting and also I told my friends and all, I had momos from this restaurant. This momos and after eating that I am having stomach pain or vomiting. So will my friends buy momos from the shop? No, right? So what is happening? You are losing customer. If people are not buying from your shop, you are losing customer. Right? Please respond. If you are getting the point or not. If you are not getting customer, if you are losing customer, that means you are getting a loss in the business. If people are getting to know now, okay, this shop is selling, after eating from this shop, people are getting, sick. Will people come to your shop to buy food? No, right? Then what will happen? You will lose customer. It will be a financial loss. And if it is reaches to the, if somebody complains and it is reaches, there will be an inquiry on the shop, right? If somebody go and complain in the food safety department that I ate and this happened, there will be an inquiry. And if somehow they found the food is being prepared that is unsafe, what will happen? They will cancel the license and cancel the registration. The shop will be closed. So this will be a shutdown of business or loss, financial loss. So if we maintain the food safety, if somebody is not, our food is safe, then there is no chances of all these things. This is why food safety is important.